Hey everyone! I'm so glad you're here in my kitchen today. Today we're making Chicken Chop Suey, a quick, colorful stir-fry packed with fresh veggies and tender chicken. It's a classic dish that's not only easy to whip up, but also bursting with flavor and texture in every bite. This homemade version is healthier and tastier than takeout, and it comes together in no time. You'll be amazed at how simple ingredients can create something so delicious and satisfying right in your own kitchen. Stir-fries are perfect for busy nights. Less time cooking, more time enjoying. Whether you're feeding a family or just yourself, this recipe fits right into your schedule. You get lean protein, a rainbow of vegetables, and a meal that's both satisfying and light. It's a great way to sneak in extra veggies and keep things healthy without sacrificing taste. The best part? You can use whatever veggies you have on hand. Broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, snap peas. Just open your fridge and get creative. Don't worry if you're missing a few ingredients. This recipe is super flexible and forgiving, so you can make it your own every time. Even if you're new to cooking, this recipe is foolproof. Just chop, stir-fry, and mix a simple sauce. No fancy skills required, just a little bit of enthusiasm. Prepping everything ahead makes it a breeze. Once you have your ingredients ready, the actual cooking takes just minutes. The result, a beautiful, restaurant-worthy dish you made yourself. It's colorful, fresh, and sure to impress anyone at your table. Ready to impress yourself and your family? Let's get started. Cooking at home has never been this fun or rewarding. Grab your apron and let's dive in. You'll be amazed at how easy and delicious homemade chicken chop suey can be. This is going to be delicious. Let's cook together and make something truly special. Let's talk ingredients. Here's what you'll need to make a delicious classic chicken chop suey at home. This list is simple, but each item plays a key role in building flavor and texture. Start with 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, sliced thin for quick, even cooking. Using chicken breast keeps the dish lean and tender, but you can swap in thighs if you prefer a richer flavor. Next, gather a vibrant mix of veggies. 1 cup each of carrots, celery, broccoli, mushrooms, and snow peas. These vegetables add color, crunch, and a variety of nutrients, making your chop suey both tasty and wholesome. Don't forget 2 cups of fresh beansprouts. They bring a signature crunch and a refreshing bite that really sets this dish apart from other stir-fries. You'll also need 2 cloves of garlic, minced, and a tablespoon of vegetable oil. The garlic infuses the oil, creating a fragrant base for your stir-fry. For the sauce, combine a 1/4 cup of low-sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and a teaspoon of sesame oil. This trio gives your chop suey its savory, umami-packed flavor and a hint of nuttiness. To thicken the sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water. This simple slurry will help your sauce cling to every bite. That's it. Fresh, simple, and easy to find at any grocery store. These ingredients come together for a meal that's both satisfying and quick to prepare. Before you start cooking, prep everything and have it ready to go. Chopping and measuring ahead of time makes the stir-fry process super smooth and stress-free. This mise en place, having all your ingredients organized and within reach, is the secret to a great stir-fry and helps you cook with confidence. With your shopping list checked off and everything prepped, you're set for success. Let's get cooking and bring this classic dish to life. Time to cook! Let's walk through each step to make sure your chicken chop suey turns out absolutely delicious. Gather all your ingredients and have them prepped and ready to go. This dish comes together quickly, so a little organization goes a long way. Start by heating half the oil in a hot skillet or wok over medium-high heat. You want the oil to shimmer but not smoke, so keep an eye on it. Add the chicken in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Let it cook undisturbed for a couple of minutes to get a nice golden color. Then stir and continue cooking until the pieces are cooked through, about 5-7 minutes in total. Once the chicken is golden and cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside on a plate. This keeps it juicy and prevents overcooking. Add the remaining oil to your pan, then toss in the garlic. Sauté just until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Be careful not to let it burn, as burnt garlic can turn bitter. Now toss in the carrots, celery, and broccoli. Stir-fry these veggies for 3-4 minutes, stirring often until they're just starting to get tender but still have a bit of crunch. Keep the veggies moving in the pan for that perfect, crisp, tender texture. Stir-frying at high heat helps lock in their color and flavor. Next, add the mushrooms and snow peas. Stir fry for another 2-3 minutes just until the mushrooms soften and the snow peas turn bright green. Return the cooked chicken to the pan, along with any juices that collected on the plate. This adds extra flavor and keeps the chicken moist. Add the bean sprouts and toss everything together. The sprouts add a wonderful crunch and freshness to the dish. Don't overcook the sprouts, just a quick toss is enough to keep them crunchy and vibrant. In a small bowl, whisk your cornstarch slurry into the sauce ingredients until smooth, then pour the mixture evenly over the stir fry in the pan. Stir everything together for 1-2 minutes until the sauce thickens and beautifully coats all the chicken and vegetables, giving them a glossy finish. That's it! Your homemade chicken chop suey is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot, straight from the wok, for the best flavor and texture. Look at that gorgeous pan of food, colorful, glossy, and packed with flavor. Turn off the heat and get ready to serve. This dish is perfect over steamed white or brown rice or even noodles. For extra crunch, add bean sprouts right at the end after turning off the heat. Swap chicken for beef, pork, shrimp, or tofu to make it your own. Use any veggies you like. Bell peppers, bok choy, water chestnuts, or baby corn all work. Add hearty veggies first, delicate ones last for perfect texture. Cooking at home means you can customize every bite. Take a moment to admire your creation. It smells and looks amazing. Time to plate up and enjoy. Serve your chicken chop suey hot, over rice or noodles, whatever you love. Remember, this recipe is endlessly adaptable. Change up the protein, swap in your favorite veggies, and make it your own. The more colors, the better. Share your creations and tips in the comments. I love seeing your twists on this classic. Cooking is about creativity and sharing. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Enjoy your quick, healthy, and delicious meal. Happy cooking, everyone!